Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Google Nano Banana is a nickname given to Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image AI model, an advanced tool for image generation and editing that has gained viral popularity. Its key strengths lie in speed, a high degree of photorealism, and the ability to maintain consistent subject identity across different images and scenarios. For creators and marketers, this tool offers a wide range of powerful and practical use cases. And in this guide, I will show you exactly the best Google Nano Banana use cases for both creators and marketers. Let's start with creators. Nano Banana provides creators with a versatile and accessible tool to generate high quality, professional looking visuals without needing extensive technical skills or expensive software. In here, let's start with this, creating 3D figurines and avatars. The most viral use case is transforming photos of people, pets, or objects into stylized 3D figurines. Creators can make a mini-me collectible, a unique avatar for social media, or even concept designs for physical products. The tool excels at adding realistic textures, lighting, and even mock-up packaging. Secondly, we have rapid prototyping and storyboarding. Artists and designers can quickly visualize new ideas. For example, a comic book artist can use it to maintain character consistency across different scenes and outfits, or a concept artist can rapidly generate variations of a scene or character design. In here, we also have generating social media content. The tool's ability to seamlessly place a subject into different scenes or styles is perfect for social media content. Creators can generate fast viral trends where they can create images of themselves in different eras, that is e.g. 1920s, 1980s, within famous artwork or as characters in popular TV shows. We also have in here, secondly, engaging visuals. You can transform simple selfies into professional headshots, create animated GIFs, or design visually appealing collages for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Now, let's get to for marketers. For marketers, Nano Banana is a game changer for content production, offering a faster and more cost-effective way to create on-brand visual assets at scale. In here, we have accelerated creative production. Nano Banana allows marketing teams to produce a high volume of creative assets in a fraction of the time. Marketers can generate multiple versions of an ad, social media post, or email banner, enabling rapid A or B testing to see what resonates with the audience. We also have in here e-commerce product imagery. Brands can create professional looking product carousels without the expense of a physical photo shoot. You can place a product in different settings, change its color, or show it being used in a lifestyle shot with a simple text prompt. Also in here we have consistent branding. A major challenge for brands is maintaining a consistent visual identity. Nano Banana's ability to preserve subject identity and style across different images ensures that all visual assets from ad campaigns to brochures maintain a cohesive look and feel. Also, we have personal marketing at scale. Marketers can tailor images for different target segments. For example, a company can create a distinct advertisement for Gen Z consumers versus corporate clients with different outfits, settings, and messaging, all without starting from scratch. We also have in here UX/UI prototyping. Designers and product teams can use Nano Banana to quickly generate mockups of user interfaces, test different layouts, or visualize new design concepts for apps and websites. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.